Hello, thanks for stopping by. My name is Jack Miners. I represent Jack's Sales and Service from Burks Falls, Ontario. I am the provincial distributor for Woodmaster outdoor furnaces and a full line of Woodmaster products. I service a small area of Ontario myself, but there are a number of other dealers throughout the province, and I would like to mention those people to you. First is Gerald Saunders. He is from the Woodstock, Oxford County, Norfolk County area. He actually lives in Teeterville, Norfolk County, but he maintains an office in Woodstock. Gerald has been selling outdoor hydronic wood furnaces for 18 years. He has spent a total of 9 years with Woodmaster. So he's very, very knowledgeable and ready and willing to help. The second one I would like to mention is Russell Miners. He lives at Kemble, just north of Owen Sound. He takes care of Bruce County and Grey County. Sometimes he steps a little bit outside of those boundaries, but if you're in Bruce or Grey, please give Russell a call. He has 17 years service. Of that, 9 years have been spent with Woodmaster. Another very knowledgeable person. Both of these dealers are fully certified. The next gentleman on the list is Bill Zandbergen. Bill represents Eastern Ontario. He lives at Brinston. Bill has only been with us a little over a year, but he's already completed 2 full training courses, and he is doing very well in sales. He also stocks a wide array of parts. So don't hesitate to call Bill just because he has a limited time as a salesperson. He looks after a very large area, covers that area once every couple of weeks. So if you need parts and you don't want to pay the shipping, Bill's the guy. He can drop them off to you in Eastern Ontario. Doug Danforth is one of our newest members. He has been with us approximately a year as well. Just getting started into the sales of outdoor hydronic furnaces, but he has 35 years in the heating business. Very knowledgeable, very capable man, and he is in the St. Charles area, just out of Sudbury, and he covers a very large part of north central Ontario. The last gentleman on our list is Noah Koblenz from New Equipment in Aylmer, Ontario. Noah represents our Amish community and all Mennonite communities in Ontario. So Noah does not do service work. He does not do a lot of traveling. He is an over-the-counter sales. If that's what you're looking for, give Noah a call. He'll be very happy to look after you. Thank you for watching this, and we look forward to doing some business with you in the near future.